Hey everyone, Huawei recently launched the Nova 13 Pro on October 22nd, bringing an unexpected price tag, enhanced specifications, and a reimagined design to smartphone market. This premium addition to Huawei's Nova series offers numerous upgrades that make it compelling choice in the high-end smartphone segment. The Nova 13 Pro stands out with its unique plaid-patterned design, revamped camera module, turbo charging capabilities, and innovative AI tools for photo editing and daily convenience. The design of the Nova 13 Pro has evolved with a longer camera bump and a unique plaid texture that feels premium and modern. Its 4-lens layout is meticulously organized, paired with 2 LED flash sensors for optimal lighting. The color options are equally bold, with choices like Loden Green, Feather Sand Purple, Feather Sand White, Starry Black, adding touch of personalization. The phone measures 163.4 by 74.9 by 7.82 millimeters and weighs around 209 grams, housing a 6.76-inch OLED display. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, 2776 by 1224 pixel resolution, and support for a wide P3 color gamut, it ensures a vibrant, smooth viewing experience, aided by a 300 Hz touch sampling rate and a remarkable 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. Inside the Nova 13 Pro packs a Kirin 8005G processor with 12 gigs of RAM running on Huawei's Harmony OS 4.2. It's available in 256 gigabytes, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage configurations, making it versatile for different storage needs. Its 5,000 mAh battery with a 4,900 mAh rated capacity supports 100-watt rapid charging, giving users a powerful, fast-charging device that promises extended usage on a single charge. Camera technology is one of the highlights of the Nova 13 Pro, particularly for photography enthusiasts. The rear houses a triple-lens setup, including a 50 megapixels RYYB super-sensitive primary camera with OIS, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle macro camera, and a 3x telephoto portrait lens with RYYB and OIS. The front sports a 60 megapixels ultra-wide-angle portrait camera and a 5x optical zoom portrait close-up lens, cleverly housed in a pill-shaped cutout. Huawei also introduces a multifocal length portrait mode that allows seamless switching between wide-angle and close-up shots for flexibility in composition and framing. The AI suite on the Nova 13 Pro enhances its appeal. Its AI Best Expression feature intelligently identifies and improves facial expressions, making group photos or selfies look more natural. AI tools extend into image expansion, smart cutoff, and object removal, enabling powerful photo editing directly on the device. AI copywriting assists users in sharing memories and everyday notes, while AI document assistance supports document creation, translation, and even mind mapping. Moreover, Huawei's Celia digital assistant has been upgraded to offer AI-based guidance across various areas, from skincare recommendations to travel planning. In the new AI Skincare Advisor, Celia can assess users' skincare products and provide feedback. And with AI trip planning, she can build itineraries that consider everything from meals to transportation. Connectivity also sees improvements, with a mode for weak signal enhancement that optimizes cloud acceleration and device detection to improve network access in low-signal areas. On the security front, the Nova 13 Pro includes Huawei's Pure Mode, a privacy center, and features like call harassment blocking, enhancing overall user safety and privacy. The Huawei Nova 13 Pro comes at an accessible price despite its advanced features, with the 256 gigabytes model priced at 3,699 yuan, or about $519. This pricing positions the Nova 13 Pro as a competitive choice among premium smartphones, offering a blend of innovative features, a modern aesthetic, and Huawei's signature Harmony OS experience. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.